Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: the exact account number, password, and server string from your broker. Once done, make sure you run the latest Mt4 build and restart the platform so cached credentials clear. You also need to check your network, disable VPN or proxy temporarily, and ensure Windows firewall or router isn't blocking MetaTrader's executable. This step fixes most authorization mismatches because login failures often come from simple credential, client build, or network blocks. Next, you'll reset credentials and clear local configuration to remove corrupted data. First, type the password manually into the login dialog. Copy-paste can include hidden spaces. Once done, close Mt4 and remove or move the config and profiles folders from the Mt4 data directory so the platform rebuilds clean settings. This deletes cached server assignments that may confuse authorization. Also confirm you're using the trader, full access, password. Investor passwords cannot authorize trading functions. Finally, verify the server connection and gather evidence if problems persist. You must select the exact server entry. If DNS fails, add the broker's server IP to the connection list. Once done, test login on a different network or broker demo to isolate local network problems. If authorization still fails, contact broker support with your login, server name, exact timestamps, and the Mt4 logs. They can inspect server-side blocks. One key troubleshooting tip: always attach the terminal log file when you contact support so they can pinpoint the rejection reason.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.